Have you been to New York? Yes, I was there last year. Yes, I have been there 3 times. Hi everybody, Lingolab 3.0 here. This is Mike. Today, we learn about the present perfect. So, stay tuned. Before we continue, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon for more video lessons and language learning tips. Let's start. We form the present perfect combining the verb have plus past participle. Play, played, use, used, speak, spoken. I have played. He has spoken. If you don't know what a regular verb is, make sure you click in the I button in the upper right corner and find a video about the simple past. Alright, let me show you when to use the present perfect. First, we use the present perfect to talk about an action that happened in the past when the exact time isn't known or important. In my introduction, I ask, have you been to New York City? In the answer, I was in New York last year, I am being specific, so the use of simple past. In the answer, I have been there 3 times, meaning I have been to New York City 3 times, I am not being specific, so the use of present perfect. Let's see 2 more examples. Peter has visited Spain several times. I have watched this movie 3 times. Second, we use the present perfect to talk about an action that began in the past and continues into the present. Notice, with this structure, we often use conjunctions like for and since. For, expressing a period of time, 2 years, 5 years, for example, and since, expressing from a time in the past and on. Let's see some examples. I have played the guitar since 2015. I have played the guitar for 5 years. People have used social media since 1998. People have used social media for about 30 years. Well, that's all. I'm sure you get it here. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon so you don't miss out any of our lessons. Till the next one. Bye.